Hello, everyone. The topic for the day is movement in the Earth's interior. It is important to study about the forces involved in creation, destruction, and maintenance of various relief features on the Earth's surface. Now, we know that the Earth's interior is very hot. Temperature increases as we move towards the center of the Earth. Due to high temperature, the pressure is also high in the Earth's interior. There are two types of changes. Number one, the long period changes which occurs in the interior of the Earth. These changes are too slow to be noticed during our lifetime. Number two, the short period changes. The short period changes, they occur suddenly, such as seismic eruption, volcanic eruption, seismic movement, volcanic eruptions. The forces which cause these changes are divided into two categories: endogenetic movements and the other is exogenetic movements. Here we are going to study about endogenetic movements, movements which occur in the Earth's interior. Exogenetic movement is the movement which takes place on the surface of the Earth, about which we will study later on. Now, endogenetic forces, they are divided into two parts. One is the diastrophism and the other is the sudden movement. Now, diastrophism involves a periogenic movement or the continent forming movement. And the other is the orogenic movement, or we call it as the mountain building movement. Whereas sudden movements, they cause earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Now, a periogenic movements or the continent forming movements, in this, the movement take place upwards and downwards. Orogenic or mountain building movements, these are the tensional forces and the compressional forces, due to which the submergence or upliftment of land takes place. These movements are responsible for the formation of relief features like the mountains, plateaus, plains, lakes, faults, and folds. Vertical movement causes upliftment of the land, whereas downward movement causes subsistence of the land. While the horizontal movement works in two ways. Horizontal movement works in two ways. One in the opposite direction and the other towards each other. These One is the compressional forces. Compressional forces act over the rock from two opposite direction. The rock is being compressed. This leads bending of the rocks after a long period of time. The second one is the tensional forces. Tensional forces, it is the force is being exerted in the opposite direction from both sides of the rock. Tensional forces causes ruptures, cracks, fractures, and faults over the crustal parts of the earth. Compressional forces ultimately leads to forming folding of the rocks, and tensional forces leads to faulting. About folding and faulting, we will study in the next video. That's all for the day. Hope you have understood this part. Do hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.